Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change a Genshin Impact account password with using a mobile device in very easy way. So you have a Genshin Impact account and you feel like your Genshin Impact account password is not secure enough, or there's some other reason you want to change the password to your Genshin Impact account and you want to use a mobile device in order to do that, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change your Genshin Impact account password using a mobile device in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to change a Genshin Impact account using a mobile device is open a browser and go to genshin.mihoyo.com. Once you go to genshin.mihoyo.com, you'll land in an interface like this. Now here on the top right corner you'll see an option labeled as official site. Tap on that option. By tapping that option you'll be redirected to the official site of Genshin Impact. Now here, in order to change the Genshin Impact account password, what you need to do is tap on the three bars on the top right corner, then tap on your account name. Once you tap on your account name, you'll be redirected to a page like this. Now here you'll again be asked to enter your account credentials in order to log into your Mihoyo account management section. So go ahead and log into your account again, enter your credentials. Then after you enter your email, enter your password. Once you enter your credentials, tap on the login button. Once you tap on the login button, you'll need to solve a puzzle, so go ahead and do that. Once you solve the puzzle, you'll be verified, then you'll log into your account information. Now this is the account management page of your Mihoyo account or your Genshin Impact account. Now here what you need to do is tap on the three bars on the top left corner, then go into account security settings. Then the fourth option you'll see will be labeled as change password, and tap on the switch button in order to change the Genshin Impact account password. And once you do that, you'll have to receive a verification code to the email or the phone number that you've used to create a Genshin Impact account. So go ahead and do that. Tap on the send code button. Once you tap on the send code button, you'll have to solve a puzzle again to verify yourself, so go ahead and do that. Once you're verified, Genshin Impact or Mihoyo will send an email verification code to the email address that you've used to create a Genshin Impact account. So now what you need to do is go to that email address. Once you go to that email address, locate an email from Mihoyo and open that email. Here you'll have the verification code. So this is my verification code. You'll see something like this. Now enter this verification code to the page there. Now you have to enter this verification code. Now enter the verification code here, then tap on the next button. Once you tap on the next button, you'll have the option to create a new password for a Genshin Impact account. So go ahead and create a new password for a Genshin Impact account, then confirm the password. Once you create and confirm your password, tap on the confirm button. So once you tap on the change button, you'll successfully change a Genshin Impact account password using a mobile device. So those were the simple steps in order to change a Genshin Impact account password using a mobile device in very easy way. So that will be for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.